Hello everyone, and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to be notified when a game goes on sale on Steam. One of the most popular online gaming platforms is Steam. On a regular basis, millions of gamers utilize this app to try to download and play games through the platform. Steam offers substantial gaming discounts during their summer and winter sales, as well as smaller daily deals. Valve's gaming platform has a feature that notifies you when your favourite games are on sale. A Steam game sale notice is nothing more than a wish list notification, so just keep that in mind. If you opt to allow it, you'll be notified when the games on your wish list go on sale through email or the mobile app. Open the app by using the Windows key and typing Steam. In the upper right corner of the window, click on your Steam name. Select Account Details. Select Manage Email Preferences. From the Contact Information section, select the checkbox next to "A discount has been applied to an item on my wish list." After you enable this option, make sure your selected game is on the wish list. When a discount is applied to the game, you'll be notified via the email address associated with your Steam account. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Riley. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.